The orange alert, floods and violent wind are reported all weekend in the department of Hérault. Since Friday morning, the accumulations of rain on the Hérault have reached 50 to 130 millimeters in the plains, 150 to 350 millimeters from the Minervois to the Cévennes from the first slopes, with locally on the Espinouse up to 410 millimeters. The firefighters are mobilized and call for caution. The Hérault is on yellow alert. The flood in the upstream section spread and led to localized overflows on the downstream Hérault. Levels are slowly rising but are still supported by afternoon rains. Several roads are blocked, as vehicles were covered by water. With residents advised not to leave their homes unless necessary, orange vigilance is maintained and a strong sea wind is added this Sunday. Evacuations have taken place as floodwaters rise. Houses were flooded, with belongings destroyed.